Hello everyone. What was that? I'm like way too excited. I just had coffee. I need to calm down. But I know I look crazy. My skin has so not been loving these Halloween makeup looks that I have been doing, because I have been doing a few and my skin is like, girl, you need to stop. But we are going to be starting a new series here on YouTube, and I am going to be unboxing the BOXYCHARM boxes every single month. These videos are going to be very just chill and laid back. I'm out here in my little satin black robe because, again, we're just playing around with makeup. This is a really great way if you like to test out makeup but you don't really know where to start. This is a great subscription box to purchase. Also, if you are a beginner makeup and you don't even know what you like, but you don't want to spend an excessive amount of money trying 1,000 different things, this is again a great subscription to do that and figure out what you like and what you don't like. Alright, so the first thing we have in the box is this bad boy. This is from a brand called Brio. I don't know how to pronounce it. Brio, New York. This is a tomato serum and it is retailed at $150. It looks real expensive just looking at the packaging. It is a tomato serum. It is a powerful treatment that contains gentle exfoliating tomato extract, brightening vitamin C and collagen boosting peptides. It transforms your skin into a brighter, more youthful version of itself while imparting a healthy, luminous glow. So that's what she's supposed to do. Am I crazy? Why was I expecting this to be red? It's named a tomato serum. I was expecting red. No? Am I crazy? Am I the only one? I don't know. Anyway, so the direction says to apply a few drops to the face and neck morning and night. So you just kind of press on the top here. You get the serum. I'm going to apply this on my hands first. So this is how much you get with one dropper. And just rub this. It doesn't really have a scent. It does not feel oily. It is a serum after all. Feels really nicely. I'm going to take one more dropper of this. I really like the dropper. It's a really high quality. It picks up the right amount of product and it actually has the product come out, because I've used a few serum droppers and girl, it doesn't even pick up any of the serum inside the bottle, but this one actually does. You guys can really see on camera, it really did hydrate my skin. Considering it's a serum, it hydrated my skin more than I was expecting a serum to. But my skin does not feel oily or like heavy or weird or anything like that, but I definitely do feel like I have something on my skin. I can actually feel it sinking into my skin, not just laying on the top layer. So yeah, I like this. Next thing we have in the box is this bad boy. This is a hand cream from the brand called Waheeda. This is their nourishing hand cream. It is retailed for $14. I again haven't used any of this, so let's just pop this little foil thingy out. I'm like very particular when it comes to like creams. Like, I hate creams that are super duper thick and like heavy, but this is supposed to be smelling like vanilla and shea butter and patchouli. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I don't think I'm pronouncing that right. Oh, this smells good. Oh my god. And it's really light. Again, it looks thick when I put it out. I was like, oh my god, this is going to be really thick and really annoying to be on my skin and like slippery. But this feels really nice. Oh my god. I like this. I'm definitely going to be putting this in my purse. So the next two products that we have in the box is for your eyes. So I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to do my face, put on foundation and all of that jazz. And we will be right back. Or I will be right back. I'll be right back. So the next product that we have in here is a brush little set. So this is from the brand called Luna Magics. I've never heard of this brand. So this is again what I love about BOXYCHARM. There are brands that you've never heard of and their products could be bomb.com, and BOXYCHARM gives you the opportunity to try it for a very affordable price. So this is the Luna Magic Beauty Blend It Girl 4-piece brush set, and this retails for $18. Alright, so this is what these brushes look like. I actually love the handles. It's super duper colorful. It almost reminds me of like paint brushes. Super duper cool. And these are what these bad boys look like. This is so interesting to me. Oh my god. I've literally never seen a brush like like this, so I'm super interested to try this. But before I get into trying the brushes, we have a product in the box that we will be using these brushes with, and it is the Morphe X Manny MUA collab palette. This retails for $20. You guys know I actually love Morphe. I actually have never bought his palettes, his collab palettes, so I'm interested to try this. The Morphe and Manny MUA palette, we have two highlights over here. So I'm actually going to go into this brush from, what is the brand called? Luna Magic, and this is their, they don't have names on their brushes actually. So this brush. And I am picking up the shade Apollo, which is the darker highlight shade. And let's see how this is going to look on my skin. So, pretty color. Ooh. Oh, she is pigmented. It's a little glittery. I'm seeing little specks of glitter in this though, which I don't know if I love. Honestly, it's really, really pretty. You can see it's catching the light really, really beautifully. I see tiny, tiny, tiny specks of like glitter, but it's not like emphasizing any of my texture or anything like that. I feel like if I go into a setting spray and set this and kind of like have it sink into my skin a little bit more, that it's going to get rid of that, those very, very small slides of glitter that I am seeing. So I'm just going to go into the other side and pop this on. This brush is really, really nice. I probably would never gravitate to a brush like this for highlights, but it really, really gets into those like little crevices really, really nicely, and it gives you a lot of control. Ooh, this highlight girl. Oh my God. She is pretty. So I'm going to take a little bit more of this highlight in the palette. Again, I'm still using Apollo. Pop this on my Cupid's bow. And let's go down the bridge of my nose. You guys know, y'all know, I love a good nose highlight. This brush is doing a really, really, really good job at like really applying the highlight right down the bridge of my nose. So it makes my life super duper easy. So let's just move on to eyes, and in true Manny MUA, we're going to be doing a like bronzy halo type of eye, because girl, you know Manny MUA is known for his halo eyes, and he loves bronzes and he loves golds. I really, 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 really don't like the fact that these brushes do not have names on them. Like, as a beauty influencer, I want brushes that have names, so I can tell you guys when you ask what brush I'm using and which one I think you hands down should get. So if there's any makeup brush brand watching this, please put names on your brushes, please. We are going to be first using the little Blency brush here, and I'm picking up this shade, which is in the shade called Zaya, which is a beautiful transition shade for our skin tone, for us brown girls. And I'm popping this in my inner corner here, and then picking up a little bit more and popping it on this outer corner as well. Switching brushes over here. Again, I don't know what this brush is called, but it's like a little tiny kind of shader brush. And I'm going into the shade Spellbound, which it actually does have a lot of pigments. Really, really, really like this color. I think this is my favorite one that I've used. So, you done? Thanks. And I'm doing the placement of these shadows the same place. So again, in this inner corner, you can really see it gives a really, really beautiful color, and it is very, very pigmented. And I'm also popping it in this outer corner here as well. Using the same brush, we picked up Spellbound, and I'm literally just kind of wiping it on a little towel that I have here just to kind of clean it a little bit. And I'm going to be picking up the shade Howl, which is a beautiful kind of like very, very dark brown, and it has like soft hints of like almost gray in it. It is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful dark brown color. And again, I'm just going to be really, really precise and pop this in the same spots. I feel like the mattes that I have used so far with you guys are nicely pigmented, but they could have been better. I don't know if that makes any sense. Like, I felt like maybe they were too hardly pressed into the pan, so you have to really kind of build them up. But I feel like if you are a beginner, this is a really, really nice palette for you. Going into the last brush in our little sets, I'm picking up the shade Scorpio, which I was actually really, really, really surprised about, because when I had swatched the shade with my finger, it felt really, really, really dry. But girl, let me pop this on and let me show you what this looks like, because again, I did not wet my brush at all. I'm just loading up my brush really nicely and then popping it right in the center like this. Shadow is so beautiful. All right, really quickly, let's move on to our lower lash line. I'm picking up the shade Spellbound once again, and I'm doing the same thing where I'm popping it on the outer corner as well as the inner corner, and I'm leaving the center completely bare. And then lastly, going back into that gold shade, I'm popping it right in the center of my lower lashes. And the last thing I want to do is I'm going to be going into Apollo, and I'm going to be using this as my inner corner highlight. Guys, this is my favorite thing ever. Like you guys see, she's so pretty. Manny, you did a bomb-ass job with this highlight. Alright, my loves, I'm going to go off camera, pop on some lashes and some mascara, and I'm going to be doing my lips with you guys, so I'll be right back. Oh, she is so cute, guys. Does this look not scream Manny MUA? Like the bronze, the halo eye is so his vibe. So I'm going to be going into the very last thing that's in my BOXYCHARM box, and it is a lipstick. Where is my little card? Where is my cheat sheet? Where you at? Oh, there she is. So this is from MAC. This is their matte lipstick. This is in the shade Lady Danger. I am not really a red type of girl when it comes to lipstick, but we are gonna try her. All right, let's pop this on. Why am I so nervous? Oh, I forgot to tell you, their lipsticks are retailed for $19. Oh my. How do I feel about this? This is like an orange, almost neon type of red. Girl. Oh my god, I don't know how I feel about this. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like the color. The formula is really nice. I don't like the color. Like, the formula is really nice, but it's just not my vibe. Like, I don't think I've ever worn like a neon orange red type of lip ever, so it could be that. But I feel like it's kind of like throwing everything off for me. I'm not into it. Okay, this is much more my vibe. This is from Over Cosmetics. This is their Flexi Slick liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Slip. But yeah, this is the end of the look. I'm going to zoom you guys in because I want you guys to see this look, because she's so pretty. I really do love the eyes. It has been so long since I've done like a halo type of look, and I think this is really pretty. Again, it is very Manny MUA. Like, I look at this and I see Manny MUA, you know what I mean? Alright, my love, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. I feel like 95% of the things I really liked. The only thing that I absolutely did not like is hands down the matte lipstick from MAC Cosmetics. Not my vibe. I don't like the color, and I don't like the how shiny it was. I feel like for a color like that, me personally, I have to use a very completely matte lipstick, a matte formula, at least I should say. This was just not my vibe. The Morphe and Manny palette I do like. I feel like if you are a beginner makeup, if you are now trying to get into this, this is a beautiful palette for you. I do feel like I love the color selection. He did a beautiful job on that, but I feel like the matte in this palette could have been more pigmented. Maybe that's a hiccup on Morphe's end, but I do like the palette, and I do feel like it is a great beginner palette. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed these types of like unboxing type of videos, because I will be doing more of them. You will be getting them once a month. This month though, you will be getting 2 because I got my September box late. So my October box should be coming any day now. That should be on its way. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and again, always I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.